Well, here's our Globetrotter Penny back in KL. How are you doing?
This bike is really cool.
Yeah? That's why there's a big difference, huh?
Really.
And Penny's sister, introduce yourself.
I'm Yanlin. I enjoy so far.
Okay.
It is awesome.
Awesome. Okay.
I'm really into it right now, and I just need to save enough money and get myself one.
Okay. It's a good goal. It's a healthy goal. Bike riding in Lake Gardens, Taman Tasik Perdana, Kuala Lumpur. This is the slight trail part of Lake Gardens. And here's Penny. Oh, up, okay. And we're gonna ride up a little bit of slope there. Go on. Just make sure you're on your easiest gear.
What is the easiest gear?
Well, it was easy, wasn't it, when you're pushing? If you can't ride up, just push up. See, there's a bit of a little trail up the hill.
It's up the hill.
Let's see, you still got low. Yeah. Push. Stop. Okay. Easiest gear.
No, I'm gonna push.
You gonna push? Okay.
I give up.
Alright. So Lake Gardens isn't all the way easy. If you wanna go the trail part, you can hear all the traffic on the left side, but there are some easier, lighter trails here as a prelude to the real mountain trail.